Hey y'all, so we got the donation dropped off and we went to a couple yard sales before mostly they close down around here on Sundays at 12 or 2 or 4. And on our way out of town, I saw a listing for some more free stuff on the side of the road, and I really wanted this plant stand. It was a long, skinny, square plant stand. It was gone when we got here. But the listing said that there were things in the garage if you'd like to go look. They said they'd be in and out, but that the home is empty. It's a moving sale. And they just asked that you be respectful of their items, not make a mess. And I didn't want to stop. I don't feel good. I wanted to go home. But my husband Josh said, well, let's just go see what's in the garage. There might be something really cool in there. And so I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that we got. I want to be respectful. This is someone's belongings. They're moving. So really quickly, I wanted to just talk to you here, and then I probably really won't narrate while we're in there. It is just me and my husband right now looking, but still. Also, I'll show you really quick when I get out what we already have in the vehicle. So yeah, I'll show you what we got. I'll tell you how much we paid for it, and all this stuff that we're getting now is free. So, alright guys. This was free, this lid was free, this backpack was free. This bluey car we paid $20 for, and it's kind of hard to see, but this is 2 steps, but it's like the perfect height right now for the baby to be kind of like a half picnic table, and we paid $5 for that. Everything else free.
Even if that's empty, it's a helium bottle. Even if it's empty, I can turn it into like a small forge.
Oh, nice.
Or there's a few other things you can do with them. I got him a coloring book. And I'm going to grab some of those crayons and he can color it and entertain himself.
And then also, did you see this?
I didn't see what it was though.
Yeah, it's a Target. So, a free Target. I'm going to let him go through that, and I'll just briefly show you the other things we're going to get. So here's a baby gate. It's the same kind that we use, so we already have the hardware. And then a lot of miscellaneous. That is someone's photo in that photo frame. But we have a box full of number 2 pencils, pre-sharpened. We've got a lot of craft stuff.
Some fancy pins.
Fancy pins.
Look at this.
Wow.
Little birdie.
That almost looks like jasper. That is some kind of gemstone. I'm not sure what. Also, we've got fishing poles. Obviously, the tote and the hamper. This luggage. No, yeah. Then, guys, look at this. Look at that. And then look at this clock. Super cute stuff.
So I didn't show you this yet. This is like a bingo set with like the roller and stuff.
Oh, wow.
If you want it or not.
Might could sell it.
Or if you want the bag.
But yeah, guys, super cute. And then all these movies. And then that's a metal basket. Here is a cup like I like. It doesn't have the lid, but that's okay. And then like a little bucket. But yeah, I just wanted to really briefly show you guys. Again, I want to be respectful of the items that are still in here. The mess that you see we did not make. We've actually been kind of cleaning up other people's messes. It's just really rude to come through and rummage and leave a mess like that. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this as well. These we're also going to get for free. And this tent bag, those are handy. You never know. You might want to use that to carry around other things that you're going to take, even though it doesn't have the tent. You take other things camping with you, and that could be handy. So, alright, bye.